Hi, in this video, we are asked to express y in terms of x, given that 2 log x in base a plus log y minus 2 in base a is equal to 0. So, we have that 2 multiplied by log x in base a plus log y minus 2 in base a is equal to 0. Now we can have this to become log x squared all in base a. Now recall that if I have n multiplied by log m in base p, this can further be expressed as log m raised to the power of n in base p. So this becomes plus log y minus 2 in base a equal to, also we know that logarithm of 1 to any base is equal to 0. So we replace 0 with log 1 to base a. So we have that this becomes log 1 in base a. Now looking at the left hand side, we can apply the addition law of logarithm. So this becomes log x squared multiplied by y minus 2 equal to log 1 in base a, and here also is base a. Now since the bases are the same, which is base a, the equation becomes x squared multiplied by y minus 2 equal to 1. But we are asked to express y in terms of x. So we divide the equation by x squared. So we divide here by x squared and divide the right hand side by x squared. So x squared can cancel out x squared. So we have that y minus 2 is equal to 1 divided by x squared. So if we make y the subject, the equation becomes y equal to 2 plus 1 divided by x squared. So at this point, we have expressed y in terms of x. Thank you so much for watching, and encourage us by liking this video. And for more videos like this, subscribe to our channel.